truly remarkable. Innovative engineering at the very height of excellence. A quantum leap beyond anything I've ever seen before.
Well, I think the fact that it's won Product of the Year at the Hearth and Home Awards this year sort of speaks for itself, really. It kind of sums up everything that the judges were looking for in terms of innovation, design, technical expertise that's gone into the design of the product. Ticks all those boxes, so it ran away with the Product of the Year award, so that's fantastic.
It's very imaginative and it looks great, and it would make a great centrepiece of any lounge.
I think it's absolutely fantastic and realistic.